TV, and today I'm gonna be unboxing VTech KidiJamz Piano, and now I'm going to unbox it. So what do you want?
Take it out of the box.
So I'm gonna unbox this. Like, let's just take this out. This is over here. So here it looks like. So today I'm going to jam you guys a perfect song for you. It's called I Like Your Life. That's the song. So it just puts this thing and this red thing, and it says jam, and then there's like a lot of sounds, and there's like a lot of music and stuff. And you can volume the volume, and you can raise the volume or lower the volume. You can also do this, and you can also change your voices. Like when I press this one, it sounds like a baby.
Try it for us. Try that baby sound. I want to see how it works.
So, that's how it sounds like. And this is like a big guy sound. Hey guys, that's how it sounds like. And this is our normal voice, and this is mine. Hey guys, that's how it looks like. And there's a big piano space that way you can play on music, and that's how it works. And there's a thing over here that you can, and it says words like techno, rock, and jazz, and reggae. So, and there's also this. There's also sounds over here, like music sounds. And and you can see this. You can see like that. And you can see like that. And there's some three good things. So, you can see what happens if you do like this. It keeps going. And this also keeps going. It's super loud. And this also. So,
let's jam again later.
And when you turn off, you can play this. You can do this thing again. And you can press it again.
Are you ready?
And this
let's
button.
Jam.
And there's a little button over here.
Choose a song. Follow the light.
And it says choose a song and follow the light. And it can actually do so. So let's start the music.
Try the piano.
And there's a thing over here that you can do things. Like raise it like this, or do down like this. So that's what you can do, guys. There's a lot of sounds. There's a lot of music
Pick
over
your
here.
favorite style and select a song.
Okay, so I'm going to select this song. See how it looks? Every song like this. Every song looks like so good.
What can you do with that middle thing? I don't know what that is.
What's this? What's this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can record things like over here. Like it's like a phone, but it's a recording phone. It always records. You can take it out or put it inside.
So it's like a record player, right?
So it's like a record like there's like a lot, like this is like a phone and all stuff. And there's a thing over here that you can do something. And there's these two things are just for plugging things and a headset. There's a headset over here too. Can you see? There's a headset on the Z. That means you can wear a headset.
Okay, so like, what's that thing though? Like that lever thing next to the circly thing.
Oh, red?
No, that one. Like next to the blue things.
Oh.
That keep on next to
This?
the orange thing that keep on playing forever.
Oh yeah, this?
The orange thing, not the microphone.
This?
What about this?
Yeah.
That.
Oh, these?
No, that.
This?
This.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, they did it, remember? So let's keep going to the song.
So can you play some music for us?
Yeah?
Okay, play some music and try to record it too, cause I wanna listen to it later.
Okay, so this is record and this is no sound. So record. I recorded.
Now play some music for us. That is awesome. I really like that. I really how you compressed it more than one time. That was cool.
Next I'm gonna play a voice song.
Oh, that's cool too. Try it out, man.
Rock and roll, wiki rock.
Take it out.
Wiki rock out, whoa, okay. Oh yeah, follow my voice. Come on, follow my. Okay, let's follow my voice. Let's do this.
Wow, that was really cool, man. I liked how you sing. I like it. It's so good, man.
Thank you guys.
Okay.
So let's see the song. So how do you think of the song?
Awesome. I've never heard anything like this. I've never heard anything like this. This is totally awesome, man. Wow, just super great.
Okay, next my
Make your
brother's
favorite style.
Next.
Select a song.
Next, my brother's gonna sing. Next, my brother's gonna sing a different song, and let's see